Hello guys, welcome to Solving Solutions, your number one channel where I get solutions to all your solving problems. It's nice having you in class again today. How have you been? On today's tutorial, we are going to show you how to remove these black pigments in your image. Right, good. They are actually NoData values that have appeared in your imagery. So let's come to the properties, and then we first of all go to the symbology. Now from the symbology we can test a thing. Let's come to paletted / unique values, and let's classify. This 0 is actually the NoData value in this imagery. So let's change the color to something reddish so that it can be very visible. And then if we apply, you are going to see that the color red represents this 0, right? Good. So what will happen is that if we take it back to, we are now going to come to transparency, and then since we are unable to click on the NoData value, we are going to add an additional one, which is the 0, right? Good. And then how do we display it? We use this drop down to use no color, right? Good. Which means we have tried to hide or remove the NoData value from our imagery. So the black pigments or the black spots that we add on our imagery has gone, and then we can actually continue working with it as it is, right? So this is one of the ways you can use to, should I say, remove or hide your NoData values from from an imagery, right? Good. So if you have other options or other methods, you can leave it in the comment section, and then we'll see how to implement it. So until we see you again, have a fantastic time. Bye.